Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sandhya from MSc Computer Science, first year, second semester. Now I'm going to give a presentation on the topic polymorphism. Content, introduction, type of polymorphism, examples, features, conclusion. Introduction. Polymorphism comes under the four pillars of object-oriented programming. The word poly means many and morphism refers to forms. Therefore, polymorphism is the phenomena that refers to the ability of an object to have multiple forms, that is, to act differently under different conditions. Polymorphism is a fundamental concept in object programming that allows objects or different types to be treated as if there are objects of common superclass. It enables code to be written in a way that is more flexible, reusable, and scalable. Polymorphism is an object-oriented programming that uh, project object-oriented programming concept that refers to the ability of a variable, functions, or objects to take a multiple forms. In real life example, consider a person who has multiple characters at a time. The person can be a father, a son, and an employee at the same time. The person acts as a differently in different scenarios. This shows polymorphism. Types of polymorphism. Polymorphism is of two types, that is static polymorphism, dynamic polymorphism. Dynamic polymorphism is divided into two methods, method overriding and operator overriding. Dynamic polymorphism is divided into one method, that is method overriding. Uh, Types of polymorphism. Compile-time polymorphism. It is also known as static polymorphism. It is achieved through function overloading and operator overloading. Function overloading allows multiple functions with the same name but different parameters to coexist in the same scope, while operator overloading enables the definition of a custom behavior for operator. Runtime polymorphism. This runtime polymorphism is also called as dynamic polymorphism. It is achieved through inheritance and virtual functions. In languages like C++ and Java, this is typically done using base classes and derived classes, where a function in a base class is derived as a virtual and its behavior is overridden in derived classes. This is the example of polymorphism. This prints the length of A, B, C, D, and second one it prints the length of 1, 2, 3. Length here, the length is a function. The function is same, but the A, B, C, D it is a string, and 1, 2, 3 it is an integer. But it prints the length of A, B, C, D, and it prints the length of 1, 2, 3, and it gives the output as 4. 4 means A, B, C, D. The count of this A, B, C, D is 4. So it gives the output 4, and the count of 1, 2, 3, the length of 1, 2, 3, it is 3. So it gives the output 3. From this example, we can able to understand that the length is a function. The function is same, but different signatures. Same function name, but different signatures. Here, uh, class name is cat, and the second class name is dog. Two classes we have derived. One class is cat and another class is dog. The information is same. The information of this is we defined the information is self, name, age, and the another the dog information also self, name, age. The both are same, but we are printing the information of the dog name, and the age of the dog. Here also the cat name, and the age of a cat. In the output we can see, and the same function is the sound of a cat. Animal dot make sound. It will give the sound of the in the first statement it gives the sound of a cat, and in the second statement it gives the sound of a dog. The output, the information is I'm a cat, my name is Kitty, I'm 2.5 years old, and it gives a sound meow sound. And the second one is I am a dog, my name is Fluffy, I am 4 years old. The dog is 4 years old, it will bark. Features of polymorphism. Flexibility is, in the simple definition, the flexibility is generally refers to the language ability to accommodate various programming styles and paradigms. Means it supports all provisional and object oriented functional programming approaches. Whereas Code reusability. Code reusability means it refers to a function of designing software components in a way that allows them to use in a multiple contexts or projects without modifying. Means it will divide the program into simple codes, and it will help in the development. Readability means by abstracting away specific implementation, polymorphism enhances code readability. It helps to understand easily, and we can also read in a easy way. Scalability. As the code base grows, polymorphism facilitates scalability by providing a framework for extending functionality without significant modification to existing code. Means in this scalability, we can understand, we can able to function with a significant modifications. Whereas dynamic binding, Python implements polymorphism through dynamic binding, where the appropriate method to invoke is determined at runtime based on the type of object being operated upon, rather than a compile type. Conclusion. Polymorphism is very important concept in object-oriented programming. We can use the concept of polymorphism while creating class method, as a Python allows different classes to have method with the same name. Further, this is a population level ground for the action of natural selection, leading to change in allele frequencies and then micro evolution. Allele is nothing but it is a two or more versions. It has many versions. Through this, we can understand easily. In a simple way, we can understand the polymorphism. It is a language that has features, that has many features, and allow developers to program in a general rather than a program in a specific.